Hi, this is Beth from Zumba. I'm doing some how-to videos for you today, all on basic steps that we do in Zumba, breaking them down a little bit so that to help you in class. So here we go. Okay, we're going to do a little bit of Bachata basics. Now, Bachata is a lovely social dance, but when we're doing it together in Zumba, we're just doing some basic steps. So the most basic step in Bachata is simply going to the side. So we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's it. And we change the weight, so we tap. So it's 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. So when I tap, I go up on my heel is high. Being high, I can't tread on it unless awkwardly. So I know that I'm going to go back on it. So it's 1, 2, 3, tap. And we just repeat that over. We make it more exciting with hips, of course. So it's 1, 2, 3, tap. So we can just push the hips up and down. That is all. Push the weight up, push the weight. When we have straight legs at any point, we want to push through them, and it accentuates the hip. So we're going 1, 2, 3, tap. Okay, so that is our most basic step. Okay, in Bachata we also do a forward and back step. So we would be doing that going forward, 1, 2, 3, tap. And then that heel's up, we're going to go back on it. 1, 2, 3, tap. The heel is up, ready to go forward on it again. So we're going 1, 2, 3, tap. Ready to go that way. 1, 2, 3, tap. Obviously, we're going to add hips. 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. And that's basically the forwards and back. Okay, with Bachata, we don't do too many different steps. So we kind of sometimes do the side to side one with a bit of other direction. Okay, so the easiest way, I'm going to face the other direction. So we're going to go forward, but to the side. So we're stepping like this. So our foot is actually facing that direction rather than forward. So we're going 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And we get the hip going. I sometimes do the same step in a salsa because it's quite fun and it suits salsa as well as bachata. Okay, so look facing me. We would be going side, tap, back, back, side, tap, back, back. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. And we often have these arms in bachata. We know we're doing bachata with these arms. And that is all.